All right. Happy Easter 2022 from my brother's house, Riverview, Florida. They're about to unleash the wild little hooligans here, do their Easter egg hunt in the yard. We got eggs hidden around the vehicles and around the front.
Look for eggs, man. Here, basket right here. Up here tonight. Matthew, here. Yeah, eggs there, eggs there.
He's the only one that went around front.
Yeah, guys. Hey, you missed one. I see one there and I see one over there.
Oh, that's funny!
A little Monday stroll over to the Clearwater Beach area. Hustle and bustle of downtown Clearwater on a Monday. It's just crazy. Stuff going on. The amount of people out and about. Pretty wild.
Stuff is next door.
Gotta go to the right. Woo! Okay. Who else is sliding? There goes your dad sliding. Yeah. Going down. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Woo! Oh man, I think you won. High five. Boom!
So today, Dad got some wild idea that we need to drive to some junkyard up north of Ocala, which is over 2 hours north of my brother's place, to get a new hood for Ruby, because Michigan salt has not been kind to her. The front of the hood's all blistered up and coming apart. And he found one the guy at the junkyard says is in good shape, and it's the same color code. So we're making our way north to do that this morning. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm coming to find out that it seems like no matter where you go in Florida, everything is a scam. Everybody's trying to rip you off. So I'm hoping today's not one of those days. This is a long ways to go for a hood, but we'll see. All right, so just stopped at a gas station here, just off I-75. And man, it's been almost exhausting driving. People are just freaking crazy down here, and they're like hauling butt, and then they're like on the brakes for nothing. Like slowed down to 20 miles an hour for like 4 miles. There's nothing, no accidents, no road construction. Just I don't even know. It's just crazy. And so at one point, we're all kind of rolling along, and everybody's running about 10 over, you know. And I had this white Jeep Wrangler pass me, and I don't even know how fast he was going, but I didn't think those bricks could move that quick. And so he boogied right around me, and it wasn't just a minute or so later, then I see in my rear view mirror one of the new Dodge Challengers, kind of low slung and real dark looking, but it was white. Like the roof was a real light color, I don't know, cream or something white. And I'm like, gosh, I don't know that I've ever seen a Challenger with a two-tone paint job. I bet you that's a state trooper. And sure enough, I slide over, and that state trooper was boogieing, and I'm guessing trying to catch that Jeep. But anyway, we keep plugging away, charging our way up towards this junkyard, and hopefully we make it there in one piece. All right, so we made it here. I don't know if you can tell. You can see the rust bubbles on Ruby's hood here and here. And it's like, I don't know, this whole corner is blowing up real bad right here. So anyway, this is the place we're at, and we're gonna go see if this hood they got's any good. It's quite the place. That's just what we can see on this side too. I don't even know if it goes around behind the building over there. It looks like it probably does. So they only let him take one at a time. So you have Dad in his Ford little Polaris Ranger, and I'm gonna cruise him out and take a look at the hood, see if it's hopefully it's better than what we got. Boy, Michigan guys would go nuts over something like this. It's a YJ Wrangler tub. This thing is just, I mean, only rust on it's where they pulled the screws out, and there was bare metal. This thing is just mint. So clean, even the frame's just clean. Everything is rock solid. Sitting here at the junkyard, just crazy. Unbelievable. You don't see them like this up north, that's for sure. Right here they come back, so we'll see what Dad has to say. He's got his arms crossed, which is usually his kind of go-to for not being too enthused, So in typical Florida fashion, told him it was the same color code. Get all the way up here. The one they have that's the same color code's all beat to shit. And they got another red one that's in great shape, but it's the wrong color. So anyway, it was a nice drive.